Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the globe, latitudes, longitudes, heat zones, and time. We will understand these concepts step by step, just like it is shown in your insert textbook. First, look at this picture. The Earth looks like a sphere, but it is not perfectly round. It is slightly flat at the north and south poles and bulges in the middle. This model of the Earth is called a globe. A globe helps us see the Earth in a simple and clear way. Now look at this image. You can see a slanting line passing through the Earth. This line is called the axis. The axis passes through the North Pole and the South Pole. The Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, just like the globe. In this picture, you can see a line drawn around the middle of the Earth. This line is called the equator. The equator divides the Earth into two equal halves, of the northern hemisphere, of the southern hemisphere. The equator is the longest latitude and is marked as 0 degrees latitude. Now observe this image carefully. You can see many lines drawn parallel to the equator. These lines are called latitudes. Latitudes are imaginary lines and are measured in degrees. As we move away from the equator, the latitudes become smaller. In this image, important latitudes are marked. Tropic of Cancer, 23½ degree north. Tropic of Capricorn, 23½ degree south. Arctic Circle, 66½ degree north. Antarctic Circle, 66½ degree south. Based on how the sun's rays fall, the Earth is divided into 3 heat zones. Torrid zone, very hot. Temperate zone, moderate temperature. A frigid zone, very cold. Prime meridian, 0 degrees longitude. Now look at this image. You can see a vertical line passing through a place called Greenwich. This line is called the prime meridian. It is marked as 0 degrees longitude. The prime meridian divides the Earth into Eastern Hemisphere, a Western Hemisphere. In this picture, you can see many lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are called longitudes or meridians. All longitudes are imaginary lines. In this picture, you can see many lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines are called longitudes or meridians. All longitudes are imaginary lines, equal in length, meet at the poles. Longitudes help us know how far a place is towards the east or west. Now see this image carefully. When latitudes and longitudes cross each other, they form a grid. This grid helps us find the exact location of a place on the Earth. Without this grid system, finding places would be very difficult. In this image, you can see the Earth with clocks. Time is measured based on the rotation of the Earth. The Earth rotates 360 degrees in 24 hours. So, 15 degrees equals 1 hour. A 1 degree equals 4 minutes. India uses one common time, called Indian Standard Time, IST. IST is based on 82½ degree east longitude. This longitude passes near the middle of India. So the same time is followed all over India. Finally, look at this image. The Earth is divided into 24 time zones. Each time zone represents 1 hour. As the Earth rotates, time changes from one zone to another. So children, by studying the globe step by step, we learned about latitudes, longitudes, heat zones, and time. These concepts help us understand the Earth, climate, and time differences better. That's it for now. Thank you.